One of the most important parts of a beautiful Houston high-rise, you've got to have this in your high-rise, is a kitchen. You've got to have a kitchen that looks modern and looks great. So I would suggest to you that this fits the bill. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It's got the appliances, the newness, the colors, the slim trim fit of the cabinets around the appliances, the white quartz countertops, the white cabinets, the beautiful additional appliances here, including gas. That's huge, huge. You need that in a high rise. And then more and more storage. And then with this island, you've got places to present your food and for people to eat. You also even have a wine fridge in here. This is phenomenal. So this kitchen is very important, and it will make your guests and those that come in, your family, friends, they'll absolutely love this. But they're also gonna love going in here and seeing these kind of views. This, you're gonna see Houston at its finest, and this is high up. You're not obstructed by anything close by, so you're seeing spectacular views with floor-to-ceiling windows. And this is what it looks like from this end. Wow, it's really open and nice. This is a 2-bedroom, by the way, and you're gonna have a lot of fun in this Houston high-rise apartment. Hey, my number is below. Send me a text and just introduce yourself. Say, I'm looking for a Houston high-rise apartment. I really like the video you just shared. This is actually the ASHLYN at the Aspire. So you might share that and then just say, I'd like to get your help to find my perfect place here in Houston. I'll reach back out. We'll have a great chat and we'll get to work on that, and you'll be in your perfect high rise before you know it. Go ahead and like this video on YouTube, like it, and even more important, subscribe to our channel. I'd love to have you as one of our regular subscribers. We have so much content coming out. You're gonna love all the new, beautiful apartments, especially high rises and penthouses that you see here on Living Lux in Houston. We've got another video coming out for this floor plan, so stay tuned.